Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. My name's Adriana for all the ones that don't know. I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys can be notified of when I upload. So I'm like a little hype up right now. Too much coffee today. Did I eat? Yeah, I did. So on today's makeup look, you guys, obviously it's another holiday look. You're gonna be slaying this living room. Like, this living room has seen so much slain lately because we're just staying in the living room. So I freaking love this look, you guys, and I did my best to explain step by step. So I'm sorry if it's a little bit long. Step by step, using affordable products, you guys, showing you that it's really easy to recreate. Because when I first seen this girl, when I first tried it myself, I was like, oh, it's so hard because my lid space is so little. I forgot what it's called, but I have like small eyelid. I had to, like, you know, fake it, and obviously applied the eyeliner at the top to make it look like I have some space on my lids for eyeshadow. So I hope you guys love this look. Man, now I'm gonna be stuck thinking of the name of what the heck is it called. Hate that when I hate when it happens. So enough talking, you guys. I hope you guys love this look. I'm excited for you guys to watch, and let's begin. So I'm gonna start by priming my eyes, and you guys know that I rarely use eyeshadow primers. So I'm gonna be using this Revolution concealer and Define Infinite Longwear concealer on my lid. So I already did my brows, girls, and I'll put down below what I've been using, but it's just all Benefit Cosmetics because those are the only pencils that I have right now. So I was watching my videos. Every time I do the videos for you guys, after I watch them, I try to watch them on my big screen so I can see, you know, like how it looks, the color, and like if I'm entertaining or anything like that, you know. So I'm like, dang, my skin looks really good. Like, it's been looking better and better and better. So now moving to the eyeshadows, I'm going to be using this Full Spectrum CoverGirl palette, and this one is called So Saturated. This palette are just so beautiful, neutral, smoky, your everyday. I love a palette, like I told you guys, when they mix it with neutrals and shimmers. Close to the brow bone right here, and just bringing it down, winging it as well. I blogged. I did like two kind of blogs. I did one showing you guys how I keep with like my I did a pedi, and then I did how I shave my face. So I did it on my phone though, and right now it's like backing up because my phone has been acting weird. Has your guys' phone's been acting weird? Like, I get messages, like if I message you right now, I won't get your message till like the next day, and at a weird different time. It says like, it shows me the different time. So my phone has been acting weird. My apps don't want to download, and it's just really full. So I'm like, maybe it's that. So I'm trying to back everything up right now, but it's taking forever. Anyway, so you see how beautiful that looks, nice and blended. So take your time to blend it, but I put it close to the brow bone all the way down and just winging it at the outer edge because I'm gonna create just a clean crease with some glitter. Now I'm gonna take concealer in a flat shader brush like this. Now I'm just gonna apply this where my crease ends right here, but I'm gonna go higher because I have a small eye, so, and you can see where it ends right here, so I'm going a little bit higher than that. I'm just patting it, making it look really nice. Since we have the concealer brush, we're gonna clean the outer edge. You can already see how nice and precise that looks. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab this darker shade right here, and with that brush, I'm going to outline my crease. Take your time. Like, as you guys see, I'm taking my time on this one, but I wanna show you guys. Take your time and follow I'm gonna wing it out, and then I'm gonna go right here and then connect it. Can you guys see that? So you see where my crease ends right here, and you see how I brought that upwards? That's what you want to do if you have small lids like me. Now I'm gonna grab that same brush that I apply my concealer and apply this beautiful, let me show you guys, this beautiful shadow, and I'm gonna apply it all over the lid. Now I'm taking that brown shadow that I showed you guys, and I'm just gonna apply it over it, but I'm not gonna go all the way in. I'm just gonna do it half. Now I'm taking this Wonder Ink pencil by Rimmel London. I'm gonna create just a small wing and a cat eye. So now I'm taking that darker shadow again. I'm just applying it under my lash line. I'm gonna switch it up for you guys, and I'm gonna be using this Red Blonde SELFIE mascara. The lashes that I'm going to be using are from Kiss, the Mink Effect lashes in Countess. So now moving on to the face, I'm going to be applying this JOA Pore Deactivator Pore Minimizing Mattifying Primer. This is a really good, affordable drugstore primer. You guys can find it at Walgreens and I believe Walmart. I am not sure, but it's really good. And I do love the fact, oh, my nails are getting dirty. I love the fact that it makes my makeup look so freaking smooth. I'm gonna apply a little bit too much. Make sure you guys go check my latest post on Instagram because I got my lips done and I'm showing you guys like the behind the scenes. I added to my highlights because it's probably not up yet because it's been 24 hours, but you guys can see the behind the scenes and a before and after, and they are doing like $100 off right now. So girl, the person that I went to, her name is Jennifer. Her work is amazing here in Scottsdale. Oh my god, it's like she made my lips look super natural. Like if anything that I want to get done, I'm gonna go to her from now on. And you guys know, like, I want, if I get more stuff done, I want it to look really natural. So I got blessed because her aesthetic is just looking really natural. So I really recommend you guys her. So now for foundation, I'm gonna be using the Amber Beige Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Foundation. I changed up the color, so hopefully it works because I don't have no more of my cream beige. I feel like it looks good. It doesn't look that bad. It's a little darker than my skin tone, but I feel like it's going to oxidize. I'm going to be adding this Boing Cakeless Concealer by Benefit in color 4. So now I'm going to cream contour, and I'm going to use this Conceal It palette by Menron, which it has your contour and also your concealers, but I just use it the most for this. I am taking this Laura Mercier loose powder in color Honey. I'm gonna use their little sponge, their big sponge, and I'm just going to pat it all over my face. I just freaking love the way that this powder makes me look like really airbrush. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it looks really nice. I'm gonna apply this Wet n Wild bronzer in You're Dragging Me Down. I'm gonna grab that same bronzer and just contour my nose. I'm going to be using this Urban Decay Stay Naked Threesome, which it has a bronzer, it has highlight, and it has a blush. I'm going to apply a little bit of that blush because it doesn't look like it on camera, but in person it is really, really pink. And I'm going to be grabbing that highlight. I'm going to spray my face first, and for that I'll be using the Witch Hazel by Sky Organics, or you can use your setting spray. So now for my lips, I'm going to be taking Makeup Forever pencil in Universal Earth, and I'm just going to line my lips with that one. Then I'm going to be taking the Buxom Plumping Lip Liner in Incognito, and to top it off I'm going to be using Buxom Gloss in Celeste. Now moving on to the hair, I actually feel like my hair looks good like this, like with this makeup look, but I'm going to do some loose waves, and I'm going to be using my old school. Look at how busted it is, but it's by D Fabulous. It's so old, but it freaking heats up like crazy, like up to 4 freaking 10, like so hot. So I already applied some heat protectant spray. I'm just gonna part the half. So I'm gonna part it in half, and then also in the back I'm gonna part it in half. Take 2 pieces, and I'm just curling away from my face. So I tend to leave it like around 10 seconds to 5 seconds because it heats up really, really fast. I put that hair on the side, the one that it's nice and done, and then I part it again, same, bring it to the sides. The hair that's done I usually put in the back, and then I repeat the same process throughout my hair. And always remember to curl facing away from your face. And I don't know if this makes any difference, but I always start with the back piece of that pile of hair that I grabbed, not with the front piece. So I start with the back and then just bring myself all the way to the front piece of the hair. I don't think you guys can see, but it's nice and curled. So now I'm gonna take these 2 fingers and then right here, just go up, and whatever hair I don't want, I'm just gonna put it in the back. But it's really, really thin, as you guys can see. It's super, super thin. And then with the ponytail or rubber band, mine's really tiny. I'm just gonna grab that. Oh, let me see how it looks in the mirror. What do you guys think? So there goes the hair, you guys, and I parted up with a cute romper. I will put a picture right here of the complete look. But I applied this, this is from Avon, the Propoly, how do you say this? Propoly Thera hair oil. So I apply this all over my hair, and then my go-to hairspray, which is a Tresemme hairspray in Extra Hold. Yeah, Extra Hold. So there you guys have it. I hope you guys love this look and recreate it. I think it's super easy. You could use whatever palette you have on. Like I showed you guys, I use this CoverGirl palette, which is super affordable and really versatile as well. You can even add like some rhinestones or add some rhinestones in the inner corners. Makeup like this looks good with anything, any lip color. I love my new lip color, so that's why I paired up like this, but you can wear a matte red and also for outfits with anything. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below how you guys are going to be spending it this Christmas. Is it with your loved ones? Are you guys going to be at home? No matter what, I hope you guys have a safe one. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the little bell so you guys can be notified of when my videos go up.